Hello and welcome to another adventure. We are starting on a rainy day in Italy. Today I'm in Lucca. I'll show you around. You'll enter Lucca through medieval gates and huge defensive walls that surround it. I'm heading to a vegetarian pasta restaurant. Lucca is home to some of the best cuisine in Tuscany. This beautiful place isn't on your average tourist's list, but it's well worth visiting. Good morning! We have clear skies today. I'm just walking down a little laneway and I'm going to explore some of the last of the cool sights in Lucca before taking the train to Pisa. This interesting place is only a short train ride from Pisa, so it's not expensive if you want to come for a day trip. Hotel costs start from just €41. Beyond charming streets, beautiful architecture and fantastic food, there are also interesting museums and other attractions, including the Museum of Torture. Lucca was actually a city-state. It was a country, and it's still quite self-contained. It's really walkable. There are lots of people on bicycles, lots of people on foot, and you'll find just the most wonderful fresh produce here and beautiful food and gorgeous clothing. It's really unusual. It's really special. Lucca is very safe and friendly. You don't need to worry about pickpockets and other issues that you might find elsewhere. It's safe, it's affordable, and it's interesting. I hope you enjoy Lucca. Next time, let's go to Pisa and find out if the Leaning Tower will ever fall over.